going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I realized I still had a ton of garlic, so I picked up a few grow bags. I'm gonna get them loaded up with some soil that I use for growing my potatoes, add a little compost, amend it with a little fertilizer, and then I'm gonna plant out some more garlic, and I'll show you what I'll be growing them in. So I picked up 2 7-gallon grow bags and a 10-gallon grow bag. So the music and the city stead garlic I'm going to grow in the 7, and my soft neck garlic I'm going to grow in the 10. Okay, so I got a few shovelfuls in each pot. I'm going to add compost. I'm going to go ahead and mix everybody a little bit. Then I have just an all-purpose fertilizer. Should be 444, I believe. Yep, 444. The bag's about halfway filled. Now I'm just going to lightly incorporate this in the top. Then I'm going to go back and fill the bags the rest of the way. Add the compost. As I did before, incorporate a little bit. When I did the potatoes, I used a mix of compost, peat moss, and vermiculite or perlite. Then I'm going to add that fertilizer again and a little bit of bone meal, this time to the top. So this is the bone meal. Definitely do not breathe that in. Bone meal is high in phosphorus. I'm adding just a little bit more to the 10. Now I'm just going to incorporate everything in again. Once again, be careful if you have bone meal or blood meal that you don't inhale that dust. Okay, so I have labels in everybody. This is the soft neck, this is the music, this is the city stead. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the 7-gallon, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 in the 10-gallon. So I'm just going to push them down a little bit. I'm actually going to top everybody with some more compost. Add a little extra nutrients and another layer to them to hopefully help insulate the bulbs for the winter. Well, I knew it was going to be close. My battery ran out of power, so I changed the battery. I topped all 3 grow bags with compost. Now I'm going to water it in. This is the music, this is the city stead, this is the soft neck. I have labels in there so I will know come next season what grew well. Okay. Well, thanks for coming along with me. Hopefully this little experiment works well and I'll have good bulb growth out of all 3 bags. That's what I'm hoping for. Woo, that sun is bright right now. Well, thank you all for watching. Have a great day.